That is stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Inspiring Beauty Designs. If you've never been here before, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a regular viewer, thank you so much for all of your support, and I'm so excited to have you back with me. Please be sure to watch to the very end because I have some very exciting things that I'm doing with this painting today. And don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Alright, so what we are doing today is I am calling this Portal to the Sea. So let me show you my colors here. First of all, this is inspired by Molly's artistry, where she did the cloud pour with the blowout. Mine's going to be slightly different from hers, so I have my cloud mix here. A lot of bubbles in this. And it's been a while since I mixed it. That's okay. We have silver, titanium white, turquoise, metallic blue, lake blue, bright aqua green, phthalo blue, and Prussian blue. I know it's a lot of colors, but bear with me, I have a plan. So we're going to do that. I'm trying to lay these out in the order that I'm going to put them down. Maybe. Have to make room. All right. Let me get some gloves on and let's get started. So for a 20 by 20 inch canvas, you need approximately 16 ounces of paint. I measured out 16 fluid ounces in my cup, so I know that I have the right amount. Well, should be the right amount anyway. Now, I'm just going to stretch this out. Just pop these bubbles. Pie plate here that I'm going to stick down as close to the center on this as I possibly can to use as a guide for my portal. That looks colors down. Starting with Prussian blue. We're going to come in with the turquoise. Next up is lake blue. Then I'm coming in with phthalo blue. Metallic blue. Ooh, that was a lot more than I intended. Bright aqua green. Drizzle some titanium white. Just to brighten it up a little bit. And finally, silver. Drizzle it as well. A little bit more than titanium white. Okay. Now I'm going to remove the pipe end. Pop the bubbles. Let's blow her out. Wow, that is stunning. what do I need to touch up that corner a little bit. So
Every single swirl and every moving line, it's more than just a canvas, it's a soul set free. The art of who the Savior's making you and me.
yeah, this is going to work so much better with what my project is. I know the original was gorgeous, but this is going to be amazing. So let's touch up the sides, and then I will bring you guys in for a close-up, and then we will be back with the next step after this is fully dry. Wow, this is incredible. I absolutely love it. Full disclosure, down here on this corner, I was trying to blow the paint over the sides, and I blew it out too much, so I added more color and I blew it back out. But I didn't think about needing to add more of the base to create the cells. So that corner doesn't have very many, but that's okay. This is so pretty, you guys. I love it. This is the first painting my husband has ever called awesome. He actually told me not to add my ocean to it. So, we will see. I am definitely going to make another one. And maybe I'll just leave that one without the ocean and keep the portal to the ocean, or portal to the sea thing going with this one. So I'll be back with the next step. Wow, this is so cool. So this is our portal to the sea. I love this. My coral isn't very big, but that's okay. I like the little soft touches of the mermaids where they're just kind of subtly there. And I will bring you in for close-ups of those in just a minute. I absolutely love the blowout on this with that cloud mix. The cells are just absolutely incredible. I just love everything about this. I'm definitely going to make another one that does not have the fish inside of it. So be on the lookout for that. I'm thinking maybe purple. I will definitely be doing another blue one for our house. Our bedroom is an ocean theme, and it's definitely getting one of these. But my husband doesn't want all the stuff in it, so yeah, we'll just have the white circle in the middle, and that's okay. He actually came up with some really cool ideas for it, so definitely be on the lookout because I've got some exciting things with this in the thought process. So let me bring you in for a few close-ups here, and let me show you some of the things that I really, really love. First of all, the cells. They are incredible. I am not a huge fan of cloud pours, but this is gorgeous. I will definitely be doing more of these. There we have our mermaid blowing bubbles up into the portal. We've got the coral. There's another mermaid sitting on the edge, kind of watching. And all the turtles and stingrays and jellyfish and fishies and whales and all that good stuff going on there. So tell me what you guys think of this. I really am dying to know. Oh my goodness, I love it.
So yeah, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what color you'd like to see this done in. Yeah, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of the wonderful things. It really helps me to grow my channel, and it will make sure that you get to see every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.